Okay, we have the privilege of being able to sell some of the best available cars in the market here at Acklam. This Defender 90 has got to be up there in the market for the best Defender 90 available for sale. What an unbelievable Defender, 3 litre in Tasman Blue, which the first one we've had of the new Land Rovers in this colour. What a colour. This car has done 4,000 miles, it's 67,990, it's a D250. But it's got the Explorer pack, it's got the black styling pack, it's an HSE, so it's fully loaded. And I mean, there isn't anything this car doesn't have. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, removable tow bar. But with the Explorer pack and the colour and the black styling, this car is the best. And I mean, it's going to sell instantly. We've had Urbans, we've got a couple for sale still. We've had the other, but for me, this car is just incredible to look at. So what do you get with an Explorer pack? You get the extended arches, which beef up the car. Again, look superb. This car's got the 22-inch wheels, okay, gloss black 22s, fixed side steps. As part of the Explorer pack, we've got the snorkel, we've got the roof rails, and we've got the box on the other side of the vehicle. Now, the Tasman Blue, or Tasman Blue, looks great. It's an unbelievable colour. It's a metallic colour. We've got the painted black sections on the bonnet. We've got the 90 decal, that's in satin. We've got the Defender badges in black, the black insert into the grille here and here, and then the painted sections front and back in black, which transform this car. So everything is de-chromed. The black light surrounds, important feature, these lights, they're the Matrix LED lights. So you've got your running light and your xenons. They're an upgrade. We've got the inserts into the wings in black, black mirrors and a black roof. Now this car has got the opening roof, but it's the canvas roof, which almost make it like a convertible car, which I'll show you. Keyless entry, the black side steps, the black side box, again painted, that's black. This car is honestly incredible. Mud flaps front and rear. Then this section here, again painted in black. Another option, the black roof, the black wheel cover as well. It's got everything, privacy glass. Even down to the detailing at the back, the Defender badging is in gloss black as well. You can see the tow bar, that is removable. It also has electrics, another massive feature on a Defender. Not easily available on these cars, the tow bars. Into the rear of the car, obviously it's a 90, you've got the smaller boot space, but the seats do drop down, okay, which give you a bigger space in the back. And the rear door is heavy with that wheel on it, it's soft closing. The black sections here, also mentioned the black roof. Then look at this roof rail, it just looks phenomenal. Full leather in this HSE spec car. Into the doors, we've got electric memory seats, 3-stage memory seats for driver and passenger. Also the Meridian surround sound stereo upgrade. Electric seats, the leather, the heated and cooled front seats in this car. It doesn't come much better, and for 67,990 with 4,000 miles on it, it's a 21 plate car. It's got all the benefit of your manufacturer's warranty and breakdown assistance until 2024. But it's a head turner. It is the best. It's the best colour, I think, for one of these cars when you get the black pack. And it's just an instant seller. So what else do you get from an HSE? We get the surround view camera system, which most of these cars come with. It has a digital cockpit, which not all of them come with. We've got keyless entry. Then let's look at the big feature on the interior for me. Jumping in, starting it up, it's keyless start. The roof, okay, so this roof is canvas, but it's not a canvas you can rip through, nothing like that. What this roof is for is to give you 2 experiences. It does open, there's no glass section to it, but it opens fully, so you get that full, almost like a convertible type feel to the car, which for me just gives the car more of a dynamic. Honestly, it's an incredible feature. You get it on the first edition vehicles. This HSE spec has got it. What else do you get? This is an HSE, so instead of the canvas sections to the dash, this is all high grade leather, as is the steering wheel and the steering wheel center. So just premium features to this car. Look on the steering wheel here, differences. Heated steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise settings here, so the car will keep the distance and speed up to the car in front of you, also brake. A massive feature, the first Defender I've had that has that. Even the steering wheel colour and the colours onto the doors, that's almost like a satin white, which is unusual Usually they're like grey or a flat colour, another upgrade. Then the seats, okay, I'm sat on a leather seat. The leather is a premium leather. It's not the normal leather, it's an upgraded leather. The seats are heated and cooled. So if I push that, we've got the cooled setting, and push it again, we've got the heated setting as well. Massive feature. Your climate control. Again, we'll talk about the camera system in these cars. Here you've got a camera. So this is called a clear sight rear view mirror. It's a camera. You can't see anything because we parked next to a white wall, but that is in the fin at the back, and that is showing you your traffic behind you instead of having the normal glass mirror. You can switch it to have a normal glass mirror just by doing that. But another camera there. Then popping the car into reverse, you'll see we've got the full 360 camera system, which is the digital 3D one. We've also got the reversing camera with your guide there. When you're reversing, you can see the tow bars out. We've got a towing camera, which works there, you can see. Now you've got your guide on the tow. Going back to the normal camera, you've then got all these features on it. It's really incredible. So many different camera views and angles, even your 3D surround view, and that's brilliant. Your heated front and rear windscreens. There's pretty much nothing this car's got. Apple and Android CarPlay, of course navigation and all those features, but for a Defender 90, wow. Does it get much better? No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. 67,990, 4,000 miles in an incredible colour with the Explorer pack. I don't know what else to say. I think I've tried to say it all, but it's just an incredible car. My name's Richard. Give me a call on my number on the screen. Get it reserved. Thanks for watching.